Don't eat yellow snow. Da, 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 da. Did you know that only 1% of our water is drinkable? The other 2% is frozen in glaciers, and the 97% is salt water. When you fill a glass of water, it is probably from the ground. The number one source of water is groundwater. Now the water cycle. When it is a hot day outside, water will evaporate up into the sky and form a cloud, which is called condensation. When a cloud gets too full, it starts to rain, or precipitation, down to the surface. Some of the water that rains onto the surface, it flows back into the body of water, or soak into the ground, creating groundwater. When it passes and water soaks into the ground, it passes through the zone of aeration, which is particles of sand that can allow water to pass through. Until the water reaches the water table, which is the height of the water, everything below is a zone of saturation, until the impermeable layer, where water cannot pass through. So everything above is permeable layer. Oops. The chemical formula is H2O, or 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. They stick together because they are polar and have a negative and positive charge. The common sources of groundwater pollution underground are landfills, septic tanks, gas stations, and large farm pollution. Bottled water is safer there's very little difference with tap water than bottled water and well water. Bottled water is more money though, and 27% of the bottles get recycled, and it takes 400 to 1,000 years to dissolve, and animals die from eating that plastic. The U.S. spends about $4 billion on a year on bottled water. And now, the big ideas. Big idea A, so by all the water on our Earth, 1% we can actually use, and we depend on that small percentage so much that it helps live our normal lives. And then big idea B, from all the water, there is all that gets recycled, and recycled over and over again, and we are made from that. And then big idea C, a quote, "A clever person can solve a problem, a wise person avoids it," by Albert Einstein explains it.